I don't wish to be like you in any shape, in any form. Sabin Prebiason, say, Idani, Faudimaya Tuso, say, a personality, I did not play mu, a conqueror for her, a coher, more culture near dia. They will be said you will be able to be channel. It made me at an play mu, a try I did not play mu will be. Sika, I did not play ticket mu will be. Young Conquer culture wants him to commit me a yes. So it is not about anything you are doing that I want to do. Who show my own near my show your near my.
Medafo me ne wo kasa yi Okatakyie Afrifa abegyina Wode konso enya asem ketwa ye nyina enim Okatakyie ekoka Wode asem eno trigger Wode ma ne beto subliminals bi e high street ne so na me ne wo kasa yi Okatakyie enso antena asem ne so ono so de ne reply abre Wode said ye ni nyuma sitie pepepe Medical catcher say Ghana krona eda hono. And I said Ghana media space no. Whether you are a content creator or a musician or a movie actor or a radio presenter TV. Come here and say ye Ghana media space no. Obi anywhere. What the one sako kane branda or be kana no atum. Asem we de bia me kambata nipa be brajene maso. Obi anywhere. Sebi juma odi ewo mefa ne se social media so no wo be ka ne ho asema ode ho be chewo wo ye hwan wo ka na asem no wan ka ne ya obaba be gina akon so anaso obaba be didi watem.
But before see be kono there's a young guy called Wode which me won so akoye tweet be and it's become topical on social media. Right. First of all, Wode ni ade baby onam no enye ho na menam. Enye ho na menam.
No even cross path.
Baby a onam eye ni oye no. Wo ye na ade wo ye ade ni ade. But enye me focus. Ene me yi no no. So at no point is it my target.
Precisely.
Nemo mun yentra ho se o promote Ghana. O promote Africa. You will do that at the expense of a Asantefo any dignity. I can't tell them any day, anytime.
Let them know.
We will not wake up and attack anybody.
Precisely.
But we will not also sit down and concern and allow you people to continuously attack us.
Pound for pound.
So I know people want to now I with the Maya we want to all of us wish to be like him. Young man, first of all, I don't wish to be like you in any shape or form.
Never.
What more may not hear? Okay, so general, you know. Social media handles, most of them is not even run by me.
Exactly. So.
And YouTube require them some more post because what motivates me is not the monthly stipends now when you're free social media. No, many years dear bay. And I saw say you are my control. And me name do this send stars in the idea. No, I'm saying more Yeshua. Send stars be that yo. When you're free one, because stars in the no more dear and the Facebook. I don't know anything about it. Facebook for an editor, and yes, was here you wish to be. Come and let me show you how to make money on the event. I don't wish to be like you in any shape, in any form. Sabin Prebiason, say, Idani, Faudimaya Tuso, say, a personality, I did not play mu, a conqueror for her, a coher, more culture near dia. They will be said you will be able to be channel. It made me at an play mu, a try I did not play mu will be. Sika, I did not play ticket mu will be. Young Conquer culture wants him to commit me a yes. So it is not about anything you are doing that I want to do. Who show my own near my show your near my name of Yansha video we. Yansha video we. Then it was a video.
You know, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana. You know,
other places
the Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side.
Okay, so hold on. So that video when I would demand yeah. And you see, the object of the video was that he wanted to cause disaffection for Ashantis by Yanyanam Salaga for.
Exactly.
Now, what the myopic mind did not tell him is that Oko Jamaica, or my Caribbeans, you know. Most of them omo ya Asante. So there is even a queen called Queen Nani.
Precisely.
Asante Kuro. Fighting for the freedom of the people.
Okay.
But what the Maya wanted to create disaffection for ya Asantes by saying that Asante for na kwachichire Salaga for and Okoton Womoma eye abrofo. Meanwhile, now Santifoni abrofo ikontokwa. Ni ye twase Charles Makatiti. Na ni apese eton nipa mo omo a. And you see this kind of narrative that people continue to say. And Asantefo and ye den toma and e be fine ye the mirror and e be G slaves in here there. These are the narratives of the oppressor.
Precisely. So.
If the toma no omo di frabro chire na buy wa bra toma ni invented in Africa. And omo di toma be throw slaves. So you must be very myopic for you to buy. But you see, there is a man called, I think, Malo Doche Bibi. These are all anti-Ashanti people who want to portray Ashantis in a certain direction.
Exactly.
So the Maya, as some no American, so you'll be a badgem mana jene kwechira. I said, despite in some hunuya wokan yenyinano, ukodruwa Asante formal rousing welcome. So it should tell you the kind of hospitality that Asantis have. What is there to come and respond about this? Because who can say about them, which was untruth. You propagated untruth, complete untruth, complete falsehood. Yen we anuma ngura for omo Caribbeans na ye ton omo celebrate no. One eche wom dom koi. Eti doche na no ogina won che no. Na ese obusa ne say. Ne nua anuma ngura for no e dom ko celebrate no. One eche wom dom koi. You sit down and you continue to spearhead some narrative which continuously abuses Asantefonya Mohe. You continuously abuse them. And then my friend me Jantwa. Jantwa said maybe you don't even understand what is going on. So in one breath, they give with your left hand and they slap you from behind. So they pretend that they like the kingdom. But they behind the scenes, the kind of things they do.
Hypocritical people.
Let's listen to Yenti do
The way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
You walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
look at it's not hold on. It's not as if he's even reporting. I'm telling you, that sentence did it. So it means you are saying something you know for a fact it happened. Bonnie.
Making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north, okay.
Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north. If we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana. Hundreds of kilometers.
Even the north that I know.
No. They walk.
I don't know. Doche onka womo ye for mo free voter region no. Omo so wana chi wom koi. I don't know. I never been same hunu. Ana make us the antico am responding to say. O kan san same hunu we. Sa Asante for ye any tribe bia. And can go do one they would have been hostile towards you.
Precisely.
So why do you, young man, you come and sit there and say nonsense? We wish to be heard. Ani saadi ebi na da mo na mo nye mo senesa. Jeffrey one na me dey nye motivation no. Me social media no me dey dey be.
Like him for what?
How much revenue na munya o honi ade a why o mo set up polia hina. If you come and say something Anna, you wish to be like me. Wish to be like you. What drives me to do the things I do are very deep. You have no idea. You cannot even comprehend them. You think it's about sitting on plane and going to people and say, oh, this is the culture of this is the culture of that. But why? The personality that we use to go and do these things. Who will be changed? Young man. So I think social media team for Twitter, don't engage him. Ignore him. They sent me some posts and I told them that ignore him.
Exactly.
He's not my focus. He's not my target.
Not at all.
The focus for me here are the people that we've given them the mandate to run our nation.
Sure.
But Maya, you are not my focus. I only try to show you how hospitable Asantis can be.
Exactly. So
If you think you're offended by that, you continuously abuse a certain group of people.
Precisely.
And you want us to keep quiet because it's their
And many audience on your beer.
important.
Na se wo akwantuom na opese wo send sika eba Ghana. Na ope money transfer company papa se bi omo exchange rate e wo soro kese a 11.5. Said the engine no na no dollar ne pound ne sika no asay ba na eba form. But Lemfi money transfer ne dey omo exchange rate no number 1. Na ni gisem ewom kra ne say o download gu o phone so na o register we o your first transaction na o use the promo code and answer referral code Bonah BONAH. O send your first $100 and answer first $100 Canadian dollars or $20 and answer $20 Canadian dollars back. O send €50 or 15 euros cash back. O send £50 or £10 cash back. Therefore, what you are doing? Download the Lemfi. Never a good phone so next start enjoy. Biamun so say o America na o pese o ship America cry free America eba Ghana. Bibia pese o di free America eba Ghana. Therefore, edino eba kope Box Oak Logistics. O free Box Oak akacho say and I'm the Bonah Show so and I'll tell you monka omonso o mecho 10% discount. Ana u free abrochire akọ Ghana na odru Ghana be Kumasi odru Kumasi obepe be ada ama osoma dwoa Mr. Fre Pcash Properties ni fie ne ho CCTV cameras medofo ura fie ni interior ana se wo Ghana so na udi animu Mr. Fre Pcash Properties na medofo wudi maya ene Okatakyie Afrifa sebi omo back and forth ekoso yemfa ne sa omo banta ekoso ewo social media ne so no ma reading the diplomatic condition of sabi entokwa no ade bi amexe e come here say obi adwene maso. The question is adenti no moko and I say adenti no mumienu no akwa back and forth ni nyina eye video bi asabi wudi maya eye
Soup. Yeah, the Northwest. We make soup with this one. And I think it makes sense because when you talk about, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana,
Other places
the
where...
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
Wait, you walk all the way from the North African coast?
down, yes.
Are you kidding me?
So that is why
you are making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
This is
I'm
history.
making it up.
Many
If you go to the north,
Yeah.
okay.
Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Not that I know.
Sa video no enti ana akofa oni Okatakyie sabi entawantawa ni nyina aiden aba. Now the question is whether sa asem na wudi maya kan ye no eye no kre anase enye no kre no. Me pese me hu no kre pa e wo sa asem nim. Ana se enye no kre nso a enka wo se by now wudi maya aba abonten aba retract sa video na ye ne nsem na oka wo mu no. But I come here and say, asem na nipa ne kan ye na anye sabi akanfo bi da na sa santifo bi de no. E was mu pushi nipa no mane ba abonten no be retract sa asem na okan ye no. Se be ya adansidie. Se be ya daachi bi no. Sabi video ni ko ba bia obi nso betime use video na sabi wudi maya retract asem na okan ye no na odi account as asem na sabi odi kan ye no but come here say ase ade na take a different twist bisa because so obi aka asem na sabi me do for one kan ya e very simple nipa no na bia mo che say oh papa asem a okan ye ni enya sa na tie enu tie ni diem said ye umu odu ene said ye platform ni sitie no e be ya sabra bontin biem Nema wiase nyina hu se bi sa asem na wo kan ye no enye sa na tie but we dey akoye to me waya we say ana wo pese hu kwan fa so de content nyeska bra na me nkyerɛw munya enkamo ba ye te se me kyesensem na o mo keka no me dofo me dwene ho a me ntia se asem na Sabi Wudimaya kan ye no enya no kra sabi empanimfo mremu no mu ni Wudimaya ntrase na Wudimaya mra bonten emeye video na on retract asem no kan no we tie baby amode nam ne de me dafo eya Wudimaya papa na boko de yee bemena adwobro wate adwobro nemom asem no krepa ewom na wudi me de pese me ne wo ka no Wudimaya papa me de mi busa oni asem na wo kan ye no e wo video nim no sesabi na asantefo echiche se salegafo se wan nordness bi etoma abrofo no uda so gina ba bia wo gina na because sa wonu masem no eno na akofa sa ansem we nyina aba sa asem na papa o kan ye no uda so ejina ba bia wo gina no ana se sabi omutu o manu gu so no ana bia wo ye wo hwehwemu no ana se sabi unya opportunity ekọ ahemfie no empanifo ne watena se akire wo history no se ebi ade wo kan ye no enye sa nete se omu ne waka mi bi sa na papa ye nyina ebe sro ne se you do the needful na obeba abonten na wabe retract na sabi asem di na asem ye den ekọ ana se ebi nso a ne a wo kan ye no se history no sa nete dia papa wone wan wakoka se konfo se ko me bo ana ya Ghana